Okay, I've gone through and I have put all of the provisionally cast on stitches on the needle, and then I've gone through and turned them so they all face the correct direction. And when you do that, you're going to find that you only have 24 stitches. You're not going to have the 25 that you cast it on and that you need to work the next part of the pattern. And that's just simply because when you pick up these stitches here, you're picking up actually the stitches between the stitches, or the half stitches, and you're going to work in the opposite direction. And what we'll do is, since we have to start on a right side row, you'll see I'm going to pull the needle through so that I'm going to work on the right side, and you've got your stitch marker there so you know that's the right side of the work. It can be kind of confusing on this project, which is good, makes the project somewhat reversible. But what you'll do is you'll just reconcile on the first row of the next border by making a stitch somewhere in here. Not on the first, not on the last, because you'll be slipping those stitches, but somewhere in here, maybe close to the edge here, you can do a little knit front back, or a lifted increase that will be pretty inconspicuous, and just get to the correct number of stitches that you need for the border charts. Now, if you're making a shawl that's got hundreds of stitches, and maybe you're picking up stitches on the selvage, or you put stitches here, whatever you need to do to get to the correct number of stitches, you'll reconcile on that first row rather than the picked up stitches off of the selvage or the provisional cast on. Always that first row is where you would bring your stitch count, either by increasing or decreasing, whatever you need to do to get to the number of stitches you need to work the next border.